how far can I get with a job in 30 minutes with AI? So I gave myself a 30-minute timer. I did this 18 months ago just using Microsoft Bing at that point, which was now called Copilot. And I gave an assignment, launch a product. Look at my product, Wharton Interactive Saturn Parable, build me an email marketing campaign for it, come with a website strategy, get a full website strategy, build the website images and CSS file, I get all of that. Create a social video campaign.
Imagine you are a leader on a...
And at the end of 30 minutes, I have 900 words of emails and plans, and we fired our marketing company, because at the time it took us to do marketing each week, we could just literally just do it. In the time it took to have a single meeting with them, we could just get all our marketing done. This is pretty good, right? But that took 30 minutes, and that's a really long time. So let's see how far we can get in. One thing I did was I found out we can get pretty far in just 3 minutes. I built a GPT, which is a little customized prompt, and I taught it all the ways of doing this. I can just paste in the request, and it builds the entire thing now in just 3 minutes. And even that's, though, a little bit slow. So in 59 seconds, here I am doing a market research report, a product trend analysis, launching a product, writing a new syllabus for a class, and doing a case study in Tesla. I just recorded these all live on the screen while I hit play. And I would say, look, I grade this stuff for a living. This is all solid A- work with grade inflation, just to be clear. It's average MBA work that I'd expect to be turned in, right? As good as I get from a typical project, if someone pulls their full attention to this, would I get better work? Absolutely, right? But is it good? Is it error-free enough compared to my students? Yes. Is the quality level high enough that it takes effort to kind of see what any issues might be? Absolutely, right? And so what I think about this is the nature of work is going to have to change, right? We're going to have to think about their work in a different way than we did before, because I can get massive amounts of high-quality work, and this is very much the kind of work my students do, right? They write trend analyses, they do all this, information and reports. So I think we need to rethink work a little bit. We've been thinking about them in terms of human only. Let me just ask a question. I saw the survey results. How many of you have 10 hours with a frontier model trying to do actual work? Raise your hand. How many of you spent 10 hours with a frontier model? Okay, 5% of you. Okay, I can guarantee you have no idea what AI can do. I promise you, if you're not spending 10 hours with these systems. The most important thing you can get out of this entire talk is you need to start using this.